In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Interactive Brokers account. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, having quick and easy access to your broker is crucial for managing your investments effectively. So let's dive right in and walk through the simple process of logging into your account. First, you'll want to head over to the Interactive Brokers website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Interactive Brokers, or simply searching for it on your favorite search engine. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice a variety of options at the top of the screen. What you're looking for is the section where you can download the IBKR desktop application. This is the software that you'll use to access your account. Once you click on the download link for the IBKR desktop, you'll be redirected to a new page. This page allows you to download the necessary software compatible with your computer's operating system. Make sure you select the correct version for either Windows or Mac. Not only does this software provide a robust environment for trading, but it's also one of the secure ways to access your account, keeping your investment activities safe from online threats. Next, follow the installation instructions for your system. Generally, this involves running the downloaded file and following a series of on-screen prompts that guide you through the installation process. It's fairly straightforward, and within a few minutes, you should have the IBKR desktop application installed and ready to go. Now that you've got the software installed, it's time to log in. Open the IBKR desktop application and you'll be greeted with a login screen. Here, you'll enter your username and password. Always ensure that you're using a strong, unique password to protect your account. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the login button and the application will authenticate your account details. If it's your first time logging in, or there has been any recent change in security protocols, you might be asked to verify your identity through additional means, such as a two-factor authentication process. If prompted, follow the necessary steps, which typically involve entering a code sent to your registered phone or email. Once logged in, you'll have access to a comprehensive suite of tools and information provided by Interactive Brokers. From checking your portfolio's performance, placing trades, analyzing market trends, to setting up alerts and notifications, everything you'll need for managing your trading endeavors is at your fingertips. So there you have it, a simple and secure way to log into your Interactive Brokers account. Remember to log out after each session to ensure your account remains secure, and if possible, enable all the available security features to protect your investments. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.